What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna do a review on Barefoot shoes. So I've had these shoes now for a few weeks and I am ready to tell you all about them. These are called Ashland boots and they're from Xero shoes. They're actually made with hemp canvas and they have the nice fuzzy inside, so they're nice and cozy. They have a nice grip on the bottom. They allow my feet to be flexible and move freely, and these are just so wonderful. They're very, very light, and I love that about them, and they're pretty stylish. So a lot of times when you're looking for barefoot shoes, you're like, oh, I don't know how they're gonna look on my feet, because they do have the wider toe, but these are so stinking cute, and I absolutely love these. So if you're looking for a nice fall or winter wear that's cute and comfortable, I have become all about comfort more than fashion these days, and this actually has both. So I'm pretty impressed with these. They're a great cool weather shoe, and they also allow me to still be grounded, which is so important to me because I love to be barefoot, but there are times when I can't be barefoot. So these are going to be my go-to this fall and winter. Just want to show you the style factor of these. Even though I really don't care about style, these have the style factor. So you can pair them with several outfits. So you can do a nice comfy outfit and they look great covered just like that. And actually you could probably wear them as house slippers because they are that comfortable. They look really good with your skinny jeans. If you've been looking for a pair of barefoot shoes, I highly recommend these Ashlands from Xero shoes. They're comfortable, they're cute, they still allow me to be grounded, which is so important to me, and I love them so much. I have a link with a discount code for you if you're interested in getting these cute little things. You will probably see me wearing these most of the fall and winter. I love them that much. I also want to mention that they do run big, so I did get a half size smaller and they are perfect.